Hello, I trust you have a great day. How will you be doing? How will you be improving on your designs? So, today's video, I'll be telling you this site. This is a wonderful site I would like to recommend to designers so that you'll be able to download icons for your designs. When you look at this design, like this, that is of work log, location, and this time and date and this stuff. So there's no time to start explaining to people that time, dates. There's some design pattern that doesn't take that, so you use icons to replace them. And that of this like you are trying to explain to people that this is the person that is going to speak with this icon. And you can use microphones, a lot of things. You can use Twitter, you can use this kites, this stuff. So and they really help you to explain instead of you trying to type it speaker and host. So you use icons to replace them. So I'll be taking you through this wonderful site that you can use. So let's jump into the site. Okay, and the site is called the site flat. Oh, sorry, I misspelled it. Flat icon altogether.com. So it's a wonderful app. I mean a site that's very helpful, that has been helping me in a lot of my designs. So you guys too can go there and check it out. So when you want to download, you can sign up for free or still download for free. So let's say we download something like, let's say call just type. There's no limitation, you can download hundreds, a lot of it. So wait for it to load. So this is it. You can see once you download them, you can long press to download, or you can click on it. Once you download them, they are in PNG already. So once you click on download image, they are in PNGs already, no need of extracting them. Okay, download this. I already download this. Let's try another one. Location. You already knows what you are trying to search for. So it's loading. You can see 141 tile zones icons that are free for you to learn. So you have a lot of options to choose from. Go and check it, guys. Go and check it out. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. Instead of you going to Google and start removing their background, this one is ready for you. You can also click on sticker, logos, icons, anything relating to that. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, you can see, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, let's look for another one. Okay, delivery man. We have a lot of this. it is in icon, in sticker, but we have a bunch of it when you're using icon. So when you're also illustrating with your designs, you can use the sticker idea, or if only you are using, just go and check it out. It's okay, it's awesome, it's free. See that it's wonderful. So thanks for watching, guys. Click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell.